Hello everyone, my name is Danisha. You're tuning in to Natural Danisha, the channel for naturalistas. Today I'm going to show you how to do mini twists today, and also my tips and tricks on how to make your mini twist look like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get to the video. The most important thing to do before you start your mini twist is to decide which direction you are twisting. This is key to having defined mini twists. These two twists were done exactly the same, except the left one is twisted counterclockwise and the one on the right is twisted clockwise. The clockwise twist is more defined and has neater ends. I prefer to twist my twist clockwise. I suggest that you twist your hair both directions to see which look you prefer. We got an 8-ounce spray bottle with water, Jamaican black castor oil, extra dark, Creme of Nature Curl Activator Cream. Spray about 5 spritz of water on your hair or hand, a couple drops of oil, and a little dash of Curl Activator Cream. Before we get started, I'm starting our freshly washed hair. I separate my hair into 5 sections and I finger detangle each section before applying each product on in order. Get a medium small piece of hair for your mini twist. I do not worry about the neatness of my parts until I get to the front section of my hair. From that piece of hair, you will separate it into 2 even sections. Your index finger and thumb gives one piece of hair to one hand, while the middle finger takes hair from the other hand simultaneously. Pull your hair firmly. You want to be able to have the beginning of your twist as close to your scalp as possible. Don't worry about if it feels tight, because once you're finished with that twist, it will loosen. Continue to twist until you are about 1 inch from the end of your hair. This is when you will twirl the hair around your finger in the direction that you are twisting. Your ends tend to be the driest part of your hair, therefore twisting your ends helps them retain moisture. Once again, separate 2 pieces of hair. The middle finger grabs hair and rotates it to the index finger and thumb. So on and so forth. I am twisting clockwise, although it may appear counterclockwise. An important tip to prevent your twist from tangling is to make sure both strands stay separate throughout the entire process and do not transfer from one side to the other. You do not want any, and I mean any, not a single strand transferring from one side to the other. Tightly twist and firmly grab your hair. You want these twists to come out beautiful and defined. Just wrap your hair around your finger and twirl. It's that easy. Section 1 is finished. I finished the back section and now I'm working on the top and the side. Finger detangle as often as you need to throughout the process. You may get a little tired along the way, but once you get a hang of it, it won't be so bad. Notice here I'm pulling tightly. We've made it to the front section. I parted my hair on the right so that there is more hair on the left side. The final twist. And we're finished. Look how voluminous and defined these mini twists are. I love it. These mini twists took 2 hours and 45 minutes to do. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you later, naturalistas.